So I work whenever I want to work.
Yeah. That's cool.
And you are on vacation.
On vacation, yes. I took like 1 month vacation, and I returned to Brazil in the end of August, August 30th.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you will visit like many different countries.
Yeah, 16 countries in this month, yes.
Okay, quite a lot.
Yes, a lot. I started in Belgium, then I went to Luxembourg, then Netherlands, then Denmark, then Norway, Sweden, Finland, and now here, Estonia.
Okay.
And tomorrow morning, I have a bus to Riga, yes.
Okay.
And after Riga, I have a bus to Lithuania, Vilnius.
Okay.
And then I keep going, like Belarus and other places.
Yeah.
Oh, it's very beautiful. Everything. And do you like here the life in Estonia?
It's quite good, yeah.
Uh-huh.
And relatively good.
Yeah. It's safe, right? Or not that safe?
Well, if you discount politicians, then yes.
Uh-huh. I see. Yeah, I mean, in comparison to Brazil, at least you don't need to worry that someone will steal, rob your cell phone while you are...
No, I don't think so. No.
Yeah.
No. It doesn't happen.
It doesn't happen, yeah.
I mean, I can't say it never happens, but
Mm-hmm.
it is really, I would be surprised.
Yeah. I would be surprised too.
I mean, it depends. Maybe in some outskirts it is more likely, but
Mm-hmm. And the population of Estonia is very small. It's like 1,300,000 people. 300,000 people, yeah.
yeah, it is roughly like that. Yes, it's quite low.
Yeah. Because if you think only the Sao Paulo city has about, I think, 12 million people only in the city.
Yeah, I know.
It's a lot of people.
It's a lot more people.
Yes. It's very stressful, you know, a lot of people running, cars, noises, pollution.
Yeah, I wouldn't really enjoy it. No.
Yeah, it's crazy.
For me, Tallinn is just right size.
Mm-hmm.
It could even be a bit bigger, but it's, for me, it's like ideal.
Yeah, exactly. And
Everything I need is here.
yeah. And what languages do you speak? English?
And Estonian, English, Swedish, Finnish, and a little bit Latin.
Oh, it's a lot of languages. That's cool. Really. And which language do you use the most? Estonian?
Yes.
Estonian. And Russian. Do you know Russian?
No, I don't.
No?
I mean, very little.
Uh-huh. That's cool, yeah. Languages are so nice. I really like languages a lot.
So you learn also new languages.
Yes, I speak Portuguese. Portuguese is my native language. And then I also speak English, Spanish, and some French and some German.
Okay.
I'm still learning German and French.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's useful to know.
It's very useful, exactly. And I've been talking to some people from France in Belgium as well, and it is great, yes.
So you got to practice.
Yes, I got to practice, yeah. This is the good thing of traveling. You practice a lot of languages.
Yeah, if you are social, then yes.
Yeah. Souvenir. And what do you work with? Are you working or studying?
Well, I sell merch online.
Ah, medicine.
No, merch.
What is that?
It's I have some designs that can be printed on t-shirts, coffee mugs and everything. I sell these items.
These
Like
cool.
t-shirts.
Oh, that's nice. And do you sell only for Estonia, or do you sell
No, I sell worldwide.
worldwide?
Yeah.
Oh, this is great. Even to Brazil, if someone from Brazil will buy.
Some people have bought in Brazil also.
Oh, this is cool.
I think at least, maybe more, but at least like 5-6 people I can remember.
Oh, that's great.
Bought something from Brazil, yes.
Mm-hmm. That's amazing. Really nice.
Yeah, it's quite fun.
Brazilians. These guys.
Yeah.
Yes.
Not Portuguese.
No, not Portuguese. Brazilian.
Okay, nice.
It's cool. It's very easy to identify when he's Brazilian. The language, the accent is very different. Yes.
Yeah, I can imagine it's like separate.
Are cars like cheap here, like Porsche? Is it like easy to buy them here?
I mean, if you have money, then yes, it is easy.
But it's not that expensive, I think. It's affordable.
Well, not for most people, no.
Uh-huh.
I mean, I really don't know what cars. So.
Yeah.
But I mean, if you have the money, then you can get it.
Mm-hmm.
Or maybe you need something specific, then you go buy them outside of Estonia, of course.
Yeah.
But yeah, I don't own a car, and I'm not really like that much into cars.
Uh-huh. Yeah, me neither. Me neither. Normally I'm just walking or taking trains or buses or Uber. In Brazil, Uber is very popular.
Yeah, it is. We have like another taxi app that is like Bolt. It's
Bolt.
Estonian actually. It's Estonian owned.
Ah, nice. Yeah, like boat food.
Yeah, like the same company.
Uh-huh. Ah.
Yeah, Estonians.
Yeah, this morning I tried to call a boat in Helsinki,
Okay.
but it didn't work.
Why?
There were no drivers available. There were no cars available. So probably no one was working in the morning.
So that is why you missed the trip.
Exactly, I miss it because I was thinking maybe I would find a car. So I had to go to the tram.
But you could have just called taxi.
Yeah, but that's okay, no problem. It was just 1 hour difference. Yeah, it's okay.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Yeah.
1 hour only. Okay,
Yeah.
That's good.
At least it was nice. I was like just exploring the harbor and seeing everything.
Okay.
The ship's so big. It's like a cruise. It has, I think, 10 floors.
Yeah.
Burger King inside and a lot of restaurants and shops.
Yeah, they are quite big.
Yeah. It's really nice.
Let's go this way.
And Sander, have you ever hosted a Brazilian before?
Yeah, yes, I have.
Yeah. From which cities?
I don't really remember, I think. Maybe Sao Paulo, but and maybe something else, but I don't remember.
Uh-huh. I really like life here. It's very calm. Looks like countryside. Everybody so like chill.
When compared to Brazil, I'm pretty sure it is.
Brazil is at least Sao Paulo is crazy.
Yeah.
Oh, crazy.
Yeah, we have some of those.
Crazy driver. I have a question. Estonian language is similar to Latvian or Lithuanian language?
No, it's not.
Totally different?
Yes.
Oh my god. Wow.
It is similar to Finnish.
Oh. Wow.
But we are totally different language group.
Really? Ah. Wow.
So we are not Indo-European.
I see. That's interesting. How do you say friend in Estonian?
Super.
Super.
Yes.
Super. That's difficult. Looks like difficult. In Portuguese, I think you know, right? Portuguese and Spanish.
Maybe amigo.
Amigo. Yes, that's amigo. Yes.
It's basically like Latin.
Yeah. Ah, yeah. For that reason, yeah, it's very similar.
Amigos.
Amigos. Yes.
That's what it said. So yeah, I'm basically learning Latin, so I can then learn Portuguese and Spanish also.
Yeah, it would be easier for you. Are you studying by yourself or are you going to a school?
By myself. I mean, I studied 1 year in high school also,
Uh-huh.
but that 1 year was quite pointless
Yeah.
because the method was not very good.
Uh-huh. I see.
But yeah, I teach myself.
Uh-huh. And are you using any website or books?
Well, I am using Duolingo,
Duolingo is great.
but not so good for Latin.
Uh-huh.
But it's still good. And I have some YouTube channels I listened and learned from, and I ordered a book I will start reading.
Oh, that's so great. Yeah. Wow, that's amazing. And how long have you been studying Latin?
Maybe 3 months.
3 months. Uh-huh. That's cool. Yeah, you can soon speak Spanish and Portuguese.
I mean, I did they speak some Spanish also on Duolingo before that.
Uh-huh.
But then I thought it's better to just do the basics and speak Latin first and then go to Spanish.
Yeah.
Because it is just more efficient.
Exactly. It's more efficient.
So this is the Mayan pyramid, you know.
Mayan pyramid?
Yes. And they sacrificed all people on top. So,
That's so crazy.
oh, you have like historical shirt, so
What is this place? Is that normally what was this used for?
it was built as a concert hall for the 1980 Olympics,
Uh-huh.
and then it got abandoned.
Mm.
Corruption doesn't get exposed.
Exposed, yeah.
But I think we have less corruption as in Latin America.
I think so.
Central America.
Yeah, I think
South
so.
America.
Yeah. in Latin America, oh my gosh, there's a lot of corruption. So if you wanna work properly, if you wanna work with politics in Brazil, and you wanna do things correctly, people will try to kill you, or people will try to buy you. Like if you don't play our game, you are out, because it's hard. Almost everybody is involved, in corruption.
Well, but yeah, there is still lots of corruption, and they might also kill people.
Whoa.
Like make it like an accident.
Yeah, sometimes it just happens there.
Yeah.
They say, oh, it was an accident, but
So this is the city.
not that sure.
I think